Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing how to refund a Cash App payment. Let's get started. So as you can see here, I am on WikiHow, and apparently we have four methods by which we can go ahead and refund a Cash App payment. One is canceling as a recipient. Open the Cash App on your iPhone or Android, click the Activity app, and then from there select the payment you want to cancel, and you'll be able to see the sender, the amount, and the time of payment. And once you've done that, this will pull up a new window with more information. Go ahead and click the three dots on the top right corner and choose the refund option. Now, aside from this, you can also cancel as a sender, which is by going to your activity tab, clicking on the payment you wish to cancel, and again clicking on the three dots on the top right corner, and from there go ahead and click cancel payment. These are the two most prominent ways you can go ahead and refund on your Cash App, either as a recipient or as a sender. So again, primarily you have to click on those three dots and either cancel your payment, refund it, or in certain cases where you're requesting a refund, click on report and issue. So once you've done that, that is another way for solving the refund problem. I hope this video was helpful for those watching. Thank you.